Only maybe the lap or something. I naked to about 40. How clever! Like this I can learn. I kill the bush died. The palm shot. You know, it's truly today when you go and look at the palm shot, it just be like this.
Yeah.
It's hard. You don't break it.
No, it's
But
hard.
when it's time, it's
Yeah. Yeah, strong.
well, that is. And the basket, what they call is shruwenda. Shruwenda means never be full. Something like net. Could hold 2-3 men. It's a giant. It's a giant. Completely is a giant. Yeah. Well, that is bush diary.
That's bush diary.
Well, this one is what they call no, we have these people today. This PI man.
PI man.
PI man cures or not. It could kill you or it could cure.
Yes.
That's it. This PI man. Whether you believe or not believe. But this is how, according to what they say, there are some PI people that they could do the beating of the leaves. Surely they cure. Truly. But some are not.
Yeah.
So this is that.
Yeah.
But anyway, it is harmful too. Almost kanaima. Well, this is what they call kanaima. This is what they call kanaima.
Kanaiman.
This is kanaima now. This is kanaima. Really, kanaima is an influential person. Through no reason. If you have so much cows, if you are rich, if you have motorbike, if you get a nice girl, if you got 3-4 daughters, well, he is going to ask you whether you could offer him that. But he wouldn't please. But he won't do it. That is his life. Now, to make you frightened now, before he said, say, man, who come and ask me now? They put on the face mask and scares you with that. You don't know who, but the person you met before. Is what
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so it could be somebody you met before.
Somebody you met before.
Oh.
Yeah, but you wouldn't know that. And you might say, I saw a big jaguar coming behind me, running behind jaguar. It's not jaguars.
It's
It's something like a fancy. Yeah.
That white stuff is falling.
the white stuff is falling.
Delta cancel out 2 days.
That's got to be a serious storm.
We can always call home for like credit
Well, thank God. Hopefully it stayed south of Boston.
I think I have.
I too haven't been to. Did you go through Karanambo this time, or you went to Yupakari?
Are you
Nobody's
asking
no, I'm asking them.
We went to Yupakari.
You went to Yupakari. All right. So they didn't go to Karanambo.
No, we did.
Yeah, we went to
You
Guyana.
passed through Karanambo too. Well, Diane McTurk's in town right now, and I hope she's keeping the appointment that I made for her at this hour in Georgetown.
Yeah, you're on.
This plane is under the command of Captain Rogers.
So if you need to get married, he'll perform the ceremony.
Nice boy.
Comic Relief by Michael Schindlinger.
If you would just be so kind, just take one.
Oh, wonderful. Isn't that great?
Look at this.
Would you guys like a little sweet?
They're not bad sugar.
Smoother in the air. Just over there. See the big pointy one at the end? It comes down. There's another one that comes across. And right where those two meet, that's where the launch is. John, you feel good now? I'm good. Okay. Hello.
Need is the clapperboard, and
Yeah.
There's your opportunity. The sun shining on the waterfall. The color has changed. Yeah. This is the best Blarney stone. That Irish one don't count. Stick your chin over. Stick your chin over. Right, that's it. Flat on your belly.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Bill dices with death. Only feet from 731 feet of certain death. South America's largest wooden building, that church right there. This is Bill catching up on homework he missed while he was away. And our tourists reviewing their photographs. Remembering the good old days when they were in the wilds of Guyana.
See what they got in here.
This is Michael.
I'll watch the fires in the cane fields burning up to the sky. Watch the children in rags peel back the lids of their eyes, and then choked with the smoke that rose and glowed against the sky. But now I gotta get along. Guatemala gotta get along. I used to sit and watch the birds flying down past to the tree. While somewhere above there's a mother hovering over me. The chopper sets down on the ground and I'm down on my knees singing out, Guatemala get along. You'll get just ashes from ashes, turn pleasure to pain, as you set your fire to the field of the sugar cane and stare into the sun till it burns a hole in my brain. And I wait till the clouds allow, 'cause now it's some rain. Guatemala get along. I watch the farmers and the peasants hacking their way through the woods. I watch the parrots and other pheasants spread their wings and fly away for good. And it seems so simple, but it's still misunderstood. Why can't Guatemala get along? Now some people are smiling, others are in pain. Some are run off their chains, and the situation's changing, but I can't remain. I gotta get along. Guatemala gotta get along. You get just ashes from ashes, take pleasure from pain, as you set your fires down to the fields of the sugar cane, and I stare into the sun till it burns a hole in our brain. And I pray to the clouds allow, come down with some rain, put it out. Guatemala get along. Guatemala get along.